Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Life360 app on your device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open either the Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. These are the official marketplaces where you can safely download apps for your device, so make sure you're using the correct one based on your phone's operating system. Once you have the store open, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on the search icon. This is typically represented by a magnifying glass symbol and is your gateway to finding any app you need quickly and efficiently. Now, in the search bar that appears at the top of your screen, type in Life360. Make sure you spell it correctly to get the right results. The app is spelled Life, then the number 360. Once you've typed it in, you'll see a list of search results appear below. From the search results, look for the official Life360 app. You'll recognize it by its distinctive circular logo, which usually features a mix of colors. Tap on the app to open its details page. This page will give you important information about the app, including its rating, reviews, and a description of what it does. On the app's details page, you'll notice a button that says Install. This button is your next step. Go ahead and tap on it to begin the download and installation process. By clicking this, you're giving your device permission to download the app files and set everything up automatically. Now comes the waiting part. You'll need to be patient while the app downloads and installs on your device. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the app. You'll see a progress indicator showing you how much of the download is complete so you can monitor it in real time. During this phase, it's best to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to ensure the download completes without any interruptions. Once the installation is complete, the install button will change to say open. At this point, the Life360 app is fully installed and ready to use on your device. You can tap open right away to launch the app and begin setting up your account, or you can simply exit the store and find the Life360 icon on your home screen or app drawer whenever you're ready to use it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Life360 app, and now you're ready to start using it to stay connected with your family and loved ones. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.